हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? होपिंग यू ऑल आर सेफ. ओके, सो लेट स्टार्ट टुडे टॉपिक. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल. ओके, so we will understand how metals and non-metals behave when they react with oxygen. Metals react with oxygen to form metal oxide. These oxides are basic in nature. Let us take an example. When two molecules of Mg react with oxygen, then they produce MgO, magnesium oxide. Okay, और जब ये मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड वाटर के संग रिएक्ट करेगा तो ये बेस बन जाएगा. देखिए MgO प्लस H2 gives MgOH का होल ट्वाइस. ओके, so come in the non-metals. When non-metal behave when they react with oxygen. Non-metal react with oxygen to form oxide, but these oxide are acidic in nature. Let us take an example there. Sulfur. When sulfur react with oxygen, then they produce sulfur dioxide. Or non-metal oxide react with water to form acidic. Sulfur dioxide is a non-metal oxide. When sulfur dioxide react with HO2, then they gives H2SO3. Okay. Now we will understand that how metals and non-metals react with water. But before study that, we studied the activity series of metals. Okay. Okay, look here. Which are highly reactivity in nature, certain metal which are less reactive in nature, and at the last certain metal which are least reactive in nature. So let's us reactivity series table. Okay. देखिए इधर पोटेशियम, सोडियम, कैल्शियम इज अ मोस्ट रिएक्टिव मेटल्स. ओके, मैग्नीशियम, एल्युमिनियम, जिंक, लेड, आयरन, हाइड्रोजन, इनकी रिएक्टिविटी डिक्रीज हो जाती है. ओके, ये थोड़े लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल होते हैं. आफ्टर देन कॉपर, मरकरी, सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड ये लीस्ट रिएक्टिव होते हैं नेचर में. ओके, you have to just remember this table, activity series of metal. Got it? All right, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Coming to reaction with water. However, if you see copper, mercury, silver and gold, they do not react with water at all. Okay, point to be noted that. When some metal react with cold water to form hydroxide and hydrogen gas. तो एग्जाम्पल देखिए, सोडियम react with water, then they produce hydrogen gas and heat. Okay, some material react with boiling water or steam to form metallic oxide and hydrogen gas. Actually, non-metals do not react with water. Okay, so come into third, chemical properties of metal and non-metal. Reaction with acid. So we will understand how metals and non-metals behave when they react with acid. Okay, metals react with acid forming hydrogen gas. Let's take an example. When zinc react with hydrochloric acid, two molecules of hydrochloric acid, then they produce zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Okay, on the other side, non-metals don't react with acid. Got it? Point be noted, students. So come into next point, fourth property of metals and non-metals. So here we will understand how metals and non-metals behave when they react with a base. Okay, when metals react with sodium hydroxide to form hydrogen. Sodium oxide is a basic in nature. So let's take an example here. Two molecules of aluminum, when they react with sodium hydroxide, then they produce hydrogen gas. Look at the reaction strands. On the other side, non-metals react with base, but their reaction is very complex. Okay students, all reaction be noted students. और नॉन मेटल की रिएक्शन जब बेस के संग होता है तो ये द रिएक्शन इज कॉम्प्लेक्स. ओके, सो कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. Now talking about displacement reaction, generally if we see more reactive metals can displace less reactive metals, okay, or non-metals on the other side don't show displacement reaction. जिंक बहुत रिएक्टिव मेटल है. ये सब यहाँ पे रिएक्शन है, आप इसको देखिए. ओके, Zn प्लस CO2 COSO4 gives ZnSO4 एंड कॉपर. ये सारी रिएक्शन आपको देखनी है और लर्न करनी है और समझनी है रिप्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन किसका कैसे हो रहा है. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट यूजेस ऑफ मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स. फर्स्टली यूजेस ऑफ मेटल्स. Metals are used for creating technology. Metals are used in making the skeleton of building, house and etc. etc. Metals are used in making utensil also. Used in making masonry, used in making many everyday items, and metals are also used in making chemicals. Okay. Now uses of non-metals. There are some point. Non-metals are used in making chemical also there. Air that we breathe is a non-metal. Everyday items are also sometimes made of non-metals. Point to be noted that non-metals are used in machinery, used in antiseptic, used for making crackers, and non-metals are used in mixture and for making gunpowder. Okay, so thank you friends.